Hello, sweet tooths. Welcome back to Doughlicious Delights, the haven of heavenly treats. Today, we're diving into a chocolate lover's paradise, our best ever brownie variations. Get ready for a roller coaster of flavors that will redefine your brownie experience. Let's jump in. Before we embark on this chocolatey journey, make sure you're subscribed to Doughlicious Delights and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delightful creation. And if you're as excited about brownies as I am, give this video a thumbs up. Let's start with the basics. For our best ever brownies, you'll need 1 cup unsalted butter, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and additional ingredients for variations. These include chopped hazelnuts, chocolate chips, and cream cheese. We'll begin with our classic brownie base. Cream together softened butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Add a splash of vanilla for that extra layer of richness. In a separate bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to our wet ingredients, gently folding until just combined. This creates the perfect brownie batter consistency. Now, let's take our brownies to the next level with some exciting variations. We're talking about indulgent toppings, swirl-ins, and unexpected flavors that will make your taste buds dance. For our first variation, let's add a nutty twist. Fold in a generous amount of chopped hazelnuts into the batter for that extra crunch and nutty flavor. These hazelnut fudge brownies are a classic for a reason. For a swirl of heaven, let's make cheesecake swirl brownies. Mix together cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla. Dollop this mixture onto the brownie batter and swirl it in for a beautiful marbled effect. Now, let's take it up a notch with double chocolate brownies. Fold dark chocolate chips into the batter. Trust me, the more chocolate, the better. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Pour each variation into a different baking pan. That's right, we're making a trio of brownie goodness in one go. Bake for around 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. And there you have it, our best ever brownie variations fresh out of the oven. The aroma alone is pure bliss. Let them cool, then slice into squares of decadence. I hope you enjoyed baking these best ever brownie variations with me today. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delightful recipes, and share your brownie creations with us. I'll see you in the next Doughlicious Delights adventure. Happy baking!